Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can insert pictures or videos from the Photos app into Notes on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen or in the app library, open up the Notes app, and then you can create a new note or open up an existing note. In here, go to a blank spot in your note. So here I'm just going to delete some of the old inserts. It's quite a few in here. Okay, so I'm going to go down into a blank spot in the note and then tap on the camera icon. In here, tap on choose photo or video. Next, you can select one or many pictures or videos. So in here I can select another video. So I have selected 6. So if I remove some of them, so now I should say I have selected 3 files, and then tap on the add button at the top and then tap on done. Now you can see here it will insert a picture and a video. I can play the video as well. If I tap on that, it will play the video. And here is another picture. So that is what you can do to insert to insert pictures and video into your Notes app. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.